If you grasp what I'm sharing in this video, your expertise will far exceed most participants trading alongside you in the stock market. Don't try to buy an asset at the lowest possible price. A very strong trading setup, the formation of the start of a new trend. All you need to do is work with the stop and ride out the trend. This is the main and most important thing to understand after opening a position. We can only close it at the stop loss. Friends, good day. You're on the Old Trader channel. My name is Vladimir Karasev. Today we have a very important topic. At what point and why to open a position and how to work with a stop loss. This is the topic we'll talk about today. Be sure to watch this video to the end, because if you understand what I'm telling you in this video, your expertise will be significantly higher than most participants who trade with you on the stock market. So let's get started. Today we'll look at the Tesla company. I'll say a few words about the fact that we've already recorded a video about Tesla. The key level for this stock is at the level of $300.13. In my opinion, the current corrective movement that we see in this instrument is going exactly there to the level of $300. The level was formed in January 2021. Pay attention, here is the moment of formation of this level. It was formed right here, then we stood at this level for a very long time. Here it acted as support, here as resistance. At that moment, it became very strong. It became a mirror level. Then we came to this level here. Then we worked with it here. Therefore, friends, first of all, you need to understand that most likely, I repeat once again, the corrective movement that we see at the moment in Tesla aims exactly at the movement to the level of $300.13. Well, now let's talk about the most important topic for any trader: how to see a trading setup. This is the most important thing. How not to buy a stock earlier or later. How to understand that the moment has come when it's worth opening a trade. And most importantly, what to do after you've opened a trade. How to work inside a trade. How to work with a stop loss. And when is it absolutely necessary to close a position. And in order to understand this, let's turn to history. Because I repeat, markets are cyclical, trends are cyclical. And the construction of trends in most cases has a very similar character. And look, if we're talking about a trading setup, the first thing I want to tell you is don't try to buy an asset at the cheapest price. Don't do that. Smart money never looks for the best price, and they never exit at the maximum price. For smart money, it's important to see a very strong trading setup and join the movement that has already begun. This is the main and most important thing to understand when defining a trading setup for any given stock. First, let's look at the upward movement that started in June 2024 and continued until December 2024. The stock grew for 6 months. And what's important to understand, pay attention, friends, you shouldn't try to buy the instrument right here. We don't know if the trend will continue downward or if we'll stay in a flat at the bottom for quite a while. To open a position, we need to see the formation of the beginning of a new trend. This is very important. And notice, here's a situation where we break the previous downward movement. It's completed right here. Next, a candle appears, which is called a stabilization. Look here, we no longer have a major drop downward. That is, the price is no longer going down. The candle body, where the main struggle occurs, is near the maximum values of the previous candle body. We're talking about the monthly time frame. And in the following month, we have a breakout of the maximum values of this candle. Notice that at the moment of the breakout, a very good trading setup occurs. We open a position and immediately set a stop loss below the minimum of the previous monthly candle. And then, friends, the most important thing, remember this. While in a position, all you need to do is manage the stop and endure the trend. So we opened a position in September 2024 at the breakout of the maximum values of August 2024. We set the stop immediately below the minimum value of August 2024 and then simply move the stop along with the trend. The next month, in September, we moved the stop to the 209.64 level. Then we moved the stop to the 212.11 level. Next, we moved the stop to the $238.88 level. Then we moved the stop right here. Then we moved the stop below the minimum of the January monthly candle to the $373.04 level. And notice, right here, in February 2025, we get a breakout of the minimum values that we had in January 2025. That's it. The position must be closed. What do we have as a result of holding the position in this trend? So we opened a position at the breakout of the August maximums. which is at the $231.87 level right here in September, and started moving the stop loss with the trend, moving it from here to here, here, then here, and then here. And right here, we were closed out by the stop loss. I'll say it again. After opening a position, we can only close it by a stop loss. If the position goes our way, we move the stop loss with the trend. If the position goes against us, we lock in a small loss. This is very important, friends. As a result, the position was opened at the $231.87 level and closed at the $373.04 level, right here. My friends, I really want you to understand what I'm telling you. If you understand the logic of professional money, smart money in the market, the money used by traders who actually profit, please give this video a like. Moving on, my friends, after which another downward movement occurs. And notice, this is the most important part. Don't try to buy the stock right here. We don't know. We might see a further move down. We don't know how things will unfold. So we wait for the trend to end, for the appearance of a candle like this, which ends the downward momentum. Then counter-trend volatility arises. Another very large amplitude candle, then a calming candle. Again, at that key level of $300.13, and at the breakout of this small candle, specifically in August of 2025, a trade setup occurs. Immediately place a stop loss below the July 2025 low at $288.77, then trail the stop with the trend. Next month, we move the stop to $297.88, right here, then here to $325.60, then move the stop to here at $411.45. And notice, right here, we close the position on a stop loss in November 2025. So we capture this part of the trend, entering here and exiting right here. That's the portion of the trend we take. And we take it, my friends, alongside the smart money, with the money that stays within the trending movements. So again, we've looked at two trends that smart money captures in Tesla. This money, I repeat, only enters during upward trends when trending movements are being formed. So one move we had, starting from August 2025 to November 2025, and before that was a move that started here in September 2024 and lasted until February 2025. That is the trending movement. My friends, these are the two trending moves where smart money participates. Big capital, let me remind you, the safest place in the market is right next to the big money. Big money always creates large trending movements on higher time frames. So learn to recognize where big capital enters the game. Friends, a huge request. I'm trying to explain very complex things in the simplest terms possible. If you understand what I'm saying, please like this video. And of course, I wish everyone successful, profitable trades. Talk to you and see you soon.